Hi, I'm Naresh Khanna, editor of Packaging South Asia and Indian Printer and Publisher. And we are at Drupa 2024 in Hall 12, D52, at the Acme Rolltech stand again. And I'm here now with Parag Koradia, who is the technical director behind the three-partner company, the three founder engineers. And I'd like Parag Koradia to tell us a bit about what gives the company this technical agility to listen to customers and come up with technical solutions, and how, so let me start with that.
Thank you, sir. So, as a first Indian company, it's very making a ceramic analogs rolls first time in India. It's a bit challenging part. Being an engineer, we always ready to take up the challenges, and we took this challenge to manufacture the ceramic analogs rolls in India. So we first went with the best machines available in the industry to manufacture the analogs rolls, and it's not that easy to manufacture rollers. So we have our own understanding how to make analog cells and what are the customers' requirement. There are certain cell structures available in the market, so we started with those standard analog cell structures, and day by day, years and years, customers' feedback, industry's requirement, applications changes the requirements, and we grow and we change our cell structures. So recently we have developed our new cell structure. We call it S. It's a channel engraving cell structures, and we always keep trying to develop something new. We keep going it. We take trials at the customer's end to verify the trials.
No, I understand that, but I think what customers want to know, they don't want you to try out the quality at their end and at their expense, on their substrate, their ink, their time, their machine. Customers want you to test the quality before it comes to them. How do you do that? What is your quality control setup?
Exactly. So it's a first before going to the customers and for the trials and all these approvals. We are taking so many trials at our end. We make lot many cell structures, different cells with the different parameters. We have our own QC equipments in our plant. We are making all the readings. We are making a reports from starting to the end of that project. Once we are ready with the product, we go to the customer. Sir, we have developed certain things, and this particular cell structure will help you to resolve these issues, because we hear to the customer's requirement. We try to understand their pain points and try to come up with the solutions for those pain points.
But in this process, have you ever had to remake a roller
Oh
because it
yes,
didn't work? So you are ready to redo the whole process
yes.
to make it actually solve the problem.
Yeah, so it happens a lot many times because, see, as I told you, it's a R&D, or I would say trial and error method. So something comes to our mind, we try to develop with our equipments, our infrastructure. We take it to the customers and we say, sir, let's say some trials. It happens, let's say in certain cases, in the first go it clicks and the product is approved. In some cases, we have to make certain small changes here and there to satisfy the customer's requirement. And again, sir, it's an ongoing process. If I say I have made my perfect analogs, then I say it's not there. The improvement is always there.
But I would also like to suggest that you're in business, your customers are in business. So you can't have endless trial and error. So they are relying on your domain knowledge and your R&D and your data. Have you been able to put those together now in thinking through possible solutions, universal solutions that would solve 2 or 3 problems? How is your R&D developing? Do you think that you will come up with innovative structures or new types of rollers in the future?
Yeah, so in the different applications, we are doing in that way. In these 5 years, we have gathered a lot many data. So when the customer come to us with these certain applications, certain new developments, based on our database, we try to identify the solutions, what cell structure suitable for those applications. I'll just give you an example. In UV inks, the people are facing spitting issues. So to avoid those things, throwing. So to come up with those issues, we developed that ACE. It's a channel structure. in other applications, like in coating applications. So in coating applications, they don't know what would be the LPI and BCM values. We have a data. So we just ask the customer, sir, what is your application? What is dry GSM you require? What is your technical data sheet of chemicals? Just provide those data. Rest you can leave it to us. We'll take care of all those
Okay,
things.
I don't want to put you on the spot, but I want to ask you, can we look forward to some intellectual property that you will be able to patent in the future?
We are looking to as I told you, sir, we have already developed our S structure. We have already started these trademark and registration processes for our cell structures, our brand names, and everything. And we are working on that for the patent and all those things, because it's an our new development. That cell structure we have developed by our own. So yeah, maybe in next year or two, we will be there with our few cells, with our patented cell structures.
Okay, great. Congratulations.
Thank you very much,
And
sir.
I look forward to seeing those patents.
Thank you.